मुझे पता भी नहीं था ईडी कौन है, क्या है, कहाँ से। आज तो रोज चर्चे होते हैं इनके। You raid one family 7 times. So what did you miss in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh raid? त्यांच्याकडे जादूची पाउडर है. That's what we call. जो हमारे साथ महाविकास आघाड़ी का होगा, अगर वो क्या जादू आप करते पता नहीं, उसके सारे केसेस डाइल्यूट हो जाते. राउत जी ने कहा कि अनिल देशमुख जी के बारे में वो बोल रहे थे, उन्होंने ऐसे कहा कि उनके यहाँ ईडी सीबीआई सारे चले गए. वो एक चीज़ भूलना गए कि जैसा हमारे यहाँ विक्रम बोलते हैं, मीन्स इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ रिकॉर्ड. हिज हाउस and his family was raided not once, twice, thrice, 7 times in a year. 7 times. Imagine you raid one family 7 times. So what did you miss in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh raid that you had to go 7 times? I mean, it actually makes you, it's like giving an exam 7 times and still failing, because all the allegations made against Mr. Deshmukh and his family, and not have you spared the person concerned, but they are even attacking families now. Even Mr. Khadse, whose daughter-in-law happens to be a part of this house, but her father-in-law, mother-in-law, son-in-law is in jail. Fine, I understand there's an inquiry, but why is his daughters being called? His wife, who's a senior citizen, being called. What is ED and CBI doing is my humble question. What are women got to do with this? I'm not just saying, if you want to make a political attack, सामने से करो, families के पीछे क्यों पड़े? It's really a shame to see how families are attacked and purely for political reasons. I thank Mr. Nitin Raut ji to stand up for what it is. But both the cases, be it Anil Deshmukh's case, Mr. Khadse's case, and many other cases that I can sound to you, where either what he talked about cabinet ministers in the center today, त्यांच्याकडे जादूची पाउडर है. That's what we call. जो हमारे साथ महाविकास आघाड़ी का होगा, अगर वो क्या जादू आप करते पता नहीं, उसके सारे केसेस डाइल्यूट हो जाते. So I really don't know what this magic pill that you have. So it really worries me that this extension is connected to some magic pill. That's why he'll get 1 extension. I don't know. I really expect you to give me a very honest reply. One more humble question I have, and this is on record, and I can place it on the table. There are 2 members of parliament from the BJP, one from Sangli, and I saw one of them here. He's from Faltan, he represents, both from Maharashtra, and a colleague who unfortunately lost this time, Mr. Harshavardhan Patil. I actually didn't want to quote him because he's not a member of the house. उनकी वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग मैडम हमारे पास है, जो मीडिया में भी चली है. तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा उन्होंने क्या मीडिया में चली है कि हमारे यहाँ ईडी और सीबीआई नहीं आ सकती क्योंकि हम बीजेपी में हैं. दिस इज व्हाट योर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट इज सेइंग. नाउ दिस इज जस्ट शॉकिंग. Does that mean for all the great work that you said and you praised the Honorable Prime Minister, which is complimentary, he's not only your Prime Minister, he's India's Prime Minister. If India goes up in ease of doing business, we are all proud because those investment comes to all our states, it's betterment of our people. But then is ED and CBI only used against states or people who fight against you? I mean, think about it logically. If your own MPs are saying that ED and CBI, and that's the case, that all of us who are in the opposition get these love letters from ED and CBI, and whoever is on your side, the magic pill just dilutes those love letters and they just disappear. So where is the honesty? If you are really taking the high moral ground, the least you can do is make sure it's a robust situation. Globally, your member of parliament was saying that there was something called, what did he say, action task force which needs a tenure. What action task force intervention is there in this bill besides the tenure? And he was asking for collective wisdom. We are giving you collective wisdom. We are all telling you don't do it. That's the collective wisdom. You are counting year after year from this side. So much collective wisdom you are saying. Please take this feedback, because this is not going to. I have no reason why this ordinance has come, what other interventions you are making, and the whole bill is so confusing. It's going to be completely one-sided. It's not making you look transparent. As a matter of fact, it's making you look vindictive as a government. And I would not blame any secretary for that. What can he do? It's about his job. He's most vulnerable, if you ask me. And you're setting a bad precedent that unless you're loyal to the king, you're not going to get a promotion. So how do you make this an independent institution? I grew up in India not knowing who the ED and CBI head were. मुझे पता भी नहीं था ED कौन है, क्या है, कहाँ से. आज तो रोज चर्चे होते हैं इनके. क्योंकि किसी के घर में चले जाते हैं, किसी के बीवी बच्चों को लेके पता नहीं कहाँ जाते। ये नया कल्चर देश में आया है। I think we really need to introspect, and I would like to ask you that in all these several interventions, what is you have not followed any rule, and you are doing everything just to hurt a cross section. I appreciate what Mehtab ji said. Maybe it's a small number of people who are politicians, rest or not. But the politicians' cases are so high profile, they're flashing on every channel. I want to know, how does ED and CBI, which you claim is a topmost authority in this country, how does everything leak to the media? I mean, they seem to know more about it than everybody else in the audience. I mean, we hear about ED and CBI and all the attacks. And one more thing, all your allies, I don't want to name, some are even sitting here, who were your allies, all of them have cases. When they were your allies, there were no cases against them. But the minute they left you, all the cases have started. They have had raids, their colleagues have raided. I just urge you, please stop this vindictive business. If you really want the collective wisdom of this house, let's put a robust system. We will walk the talk. We will support you to have a clean India, which is very efficient, to do ease of business, which is zero corruption. We appreciate your intervention, but not at the cost of any political bullying. We will stand up for it. Mahavikas Aghadi has stood for it. You never thought we'd complete months. We have complete 2 years under the leadership of Uddhav Thackeray. We will complete 5 and we will complete 25 and show that Maharashtra will be one of the top performing cities and the states in this country, which will good governance and no corruption. Thank you.